What's up everybody, I'm Brian from I1Tesla and I have another car in here that I am fixing. I wrapped this car before and I didn't get to show you this because I lost the footage on my computer or on the card, but here it is. It's back because she hit her garage door and scraped up the vinyl. Didn't do any damage to the paint, which, well, a little bit. I'll show you what it did. But let me show you the car first. The car is dirty. I'm gonna wash it once I get done with it and get it outside. I'm just fixing two panels over there, but the vinyl is Bubblegum Pink. I added carbon fiber hood to it. She wanted a gloss carbon fiber hood. I actually did some eyelids with a pink eyeliner with the carbon fiber here, which is really cool. This car suits her. I did the chrome delete in a gloss black instead of satin black that Tesla does. This is kind of like the plaid, which is really nice. Makes it look a little different. Pink mirrors, wrap the cameras. This car looks really good. So I'm having to fix this. Right here was the damage, and there's a picture on the screen now of what she sent me. It looked really bad, and there's a little bit of a crease right here, not bad at all, and there's some light damage here because that's what sticks out the most. They had a paintless dent guy pull out the dent that was in here, I believe, and I took the vinyl off and there's really not much damage now. So for all those people wondering, should I get paint protection film or vinyl? Well, paint protection film is expensive. It does protect more, but it's very expensive. It's almost twice the price of what vinyl is. And it's twice the price to fix it as well. Whether you had paint protection film or vinyl, you're still gonna have to have that replaced. So again, that's another added cost. So I'm able to just replace these two panels, re-ceramic coat these two panels, and it's all done. It's ready to go. So for the Model 3, it's weird. This door is really easy, but this quarter panel, unlike the Model Y, doesn't stop here. It goes all the way down the side. So bad panel to have to get replaced. But luckily there wasn't any serious damage that they had to go to a body shop and have paint done. The fresh paint has to sit for a month before you can add vinyl to it, so it would look like this for a month. I took out the one taillight here. He had just put the new taillights in from Hansshow, or the X taillights. These are really cool. I have them in mind for now. I got some really cool ones here that I'm gonna put in later. But I'm gonna get this going, ceramic coat it, and it'll be ready to go for her. Oh, I also did the door handles because those were chrome. I think it looks really nice instead of gloss black on the door handles. It looks really good. What do you think about this? Again, I'm gonna wash it, show you to you outside, all cleaned up, next to the other pink car. Look at that thing. That thing is all shiny, all cleaned up. These are the two panels I replaced, but let me go over the vehicle for you. Some of the cool things that you can see outside here in the sun is the carbon fiber. carbon fiber hood. I added this. This is the tow hook cover. That is carbon fiber, so it's almost like a beauty mark. I thought that was kind of cool for her. Wrapped the chrome covers because we went with the gloss black trim on everything. I think she needs to powder coat the wheels gloss black. That's what I'm thinking. But also I did this. I wrapped this in carbon fiber. You can't really see it too well, but this is wrapped in carbon fiber. Just adds that little bit extra touch to it. Spoiler might look good, but that might be too aggressive looking. Again, this is for an 18-year-old girl. I think she's 18. But what do you guys think? You might not like pink, but it's just not pink. It's something extra. It's something different. It looks really good. And now you can't tell the damage. Let me show you the damage where it was. Right here, you can see a little bit of a crease, but not really. Everything is gone. It's all back to normal, or pink. This is a vinyl from Cheetah Wraps. Sounds like a weird company, but produced by Fellers, and Fellers is the largest distributor of vinyl in the United States. And they make their own vinyl, which is just like Avery Dennison. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. She's heading off to a pink car show in Florida, I think it is. Maybe we should bring our car. Maybe we should go. Probably not. And if you hear that noise in the background, I don't live by a racetrack, but I live by a dyno machine and a wind tunnel. So that's what those noises are. Thanks for watching.